Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this week. And in this video, we're revisiting Gains Network, which has been pretty bullish. We're up about 10%. We had a big bullish breakout. If we take a look at the volume, there is, just to get started with it, there is some volume coming from a little bit less reliable sources, like Hotcoin Global. But apart from that, Deepcoin and XT are sources of volume, which I do not prefer. Gate.io is fine, Binance is fine, DigiFinex is also fine, Maxi is fine, but altogether there seems to be a little bit of manipulation for Gains Network right now. I should have checked out if there was any news on Gains Network, because apart from that, I mean, I have to say, Gains Network itself, the project, is amazing. And right now they're at a market cap of around $240 million. I'd say on the long term, that's even a little bit undervalued. Especially compared to if you like take a look at the fees they're making every single day, but all right. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, there hasn't been any big news, I believe. Yeah, a yield-bearing, fully backed stablecoin, but this is already old news. This is just some statistics of their network. So it really seems like just a technical move and perhaps a little bit manipulated. All right, but we're going to be taking a look at that. We'll mainly focus on the technicals in this video, but we went over a little bit of the fundamentals as well already. Apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. In the Discord server, you can also see some trade results. So, but now let's talk about Gains Network. So as I said, and I'm going to pull this up a little bit. So as I said, we had a bullish breakout. We had this downtrend practically ever since the Binance listing. And that brought us all the way down to this support level around $7. And from there, we actually managed to get some bullish momentum. Already we started, it's barely visible, but we already started some more higher lows, as you can see, which previously we hadn't done. Then at the support levels, we also still had, always still had lower lows. But we started that, so perhaps that was already some confirmation, and then we broke above this trend line, but also broke above this resistance level at 7.8, which was our support. And you can also see that we respected that as a resistance and then broke above that, and now it's our support again. But now the big question is, obviously, can we get even higher than this? And one thing you should know is that purely technically, I would say it all depends on 7.8. We've dropped down to that level. If we can stay on top of that for another 24 hours, then I'd say, yes, we are going to continue this bullish momentum. We'll get up to 8.8, $9. And from there, we'll see again whether we can also continue going up to, for example, 9.8 and $10. It seems unlikely, to be honest, because of the circumstances in the market, but it would be possible. But for now, before we dive into the rest of the analysis, I have to tell you that we're probably going to get quite a lot of momentum and volatility in the market with the testimony of the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. That's in 7 hours, probably 6 hours from uploading this video. If you want to check that out, go to myfxbook.com and go to the economic calendar. I mean, in the end, if this is going to make Bitcoin move. So if you want to trade GNS, you have to take a quick, you have to always monitor Bitcoin, at least today. So what's probably going to happen is that it will react very heavily to Bitcoin. Right now, I'd say just to make it easy to for you, it's about 7.8 and $8. If we break down below that, we'll drop back down to that previous support level at $7, 6.8, and we'll stay in a consolidation on top of that until we get further market direction. All right. On the other hand, if we are able to stay on top of 7.8 or even break above 8.25, which is our main resistance right now, then we will continue up to this resistance level at 8.75 and $9. Excuse me, that's someone honking. And then we at least will be bullish again. I mean, I don't think we'll break through $9. I think in the end from there we will just continue to drop back down again. Like this, but all right, it's at least a little bit more bullish momentum on the short term. But that's my full take on GNS and the Gains Network. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.